Hi, I'm Jonathan Clancy. I am Director of Collections and Preservation at the Stickley Museum at Craftsman Farms. I'm standing here today in a log house at the north end of the dining room, and in front of me is one of my favorite textiles in the collection. It's a pretty late textile. It's probably around 1912, 1913, and it's a table round in the Checkerberry design that Stickley made. I like it for a number of reasons. The first is Stickley didn't make many table rounds. He made a lot of table scarves and table runners, but the round is something that really is appropriate and really fits this table here quite beautifully. The second reason I like it is because the design is so conventionalized. It really is aggressively modern in a way that a lot of his designs aren't, and especially a lot of his designs for textiles. And lastly, I often forget how important textiles are to making a sense of home. And I think it's really important to stress that. They allow you to soften the space a little, they absorb a little noise, they can give little spots of color and brightness and just relief for the eye. And I think they're really an important and overlooked area, especially in Stickley's career. Thanks for joining me.